Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution Code. In this video start this part 21 Human Resource in Laravel 10. Already this my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside this Human Resource in Laravel 20 part already uploaded this Human Resource. Let's start. Already my Jam server started, Apache and MySQL I started. This Jam server inside htdoc folder, inside this project name human resource means short name means SR. This latest version, this open Sublime text editor and or open your text editor. Successfully open. Let's check composer.json file. PHP version 8.1 and Laravel framework 10.10. Let's open the localhost PHP myadmin. Successfully open this PHP myadmin, this PHP version 8.1.2. This database name is SR. This short name is SR. Let's check again. This .env file open. This database name is SR available. Project name is SR means htdoc inside SR. Let's run localhost SR. Successfully good working. This database name inside this table name user. This email ID copy. In this password name his password. In 0 means employee, 1 means SR. SR login 1. This SR means 1. Login password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Successfully this login, this password show and email ID. This employee history open. Step by step search box add. Let's start. First of all, admin job history route open. Resource route inside web.php, font small size. This route admin history, job history, this job history route. This job history controller inside function name is index function. Job history controller open backend inside. Backend inside job history controller open inside this index function. In this backend job history and list file name. Resource in view inside backend job history and list. Successfully open the job history list. All step by step set. This show. Let's step by step search box add. This join query search box here. Step by step search box here. Job history and this text line center. This section new create header inside new section create this job history section inside this row available. This cart available. This new section 12 inside this step by step add. This form start. Div cart, div class card. Inside this div class card header S3 job history search. The job history search this title add. Search job history list and search. In this class add class card title, save file and refresh this browser. Successfully add this search job history list and step by step include all form method get and get action is blank. Action blank. Div create div class card body. And div class row. Div class from group call md3 label id and input type class name from controller add inside placeholder id. Let's save file in this text. Name is text and the database name is id add. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully id set. This id set. Next employee name set. This copy and paste here and employee name. This employee name and employee name, this placeholder, and this id name is, let's check user table. In this name add, and this id add inside this job history, this user name add and job history name, and this id add. Employee id means joint query, this add. Successfully set name. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully button set. Start date and end date set. Copy and paste. Start date. Placeholder remove and this type means text date. Successfully date set and this name is job history model open table. In this start date available, this start date add. Copy this and paste here, and this end and date, this end date add. End date add, this date set. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully date set, start date and end date. This employee in this id add, job name, this joint query add. Copy this and this job name is job, this title, job title add. Name is job title, this job title add in this text and placeholder job title. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully job title set. Successfully set and this last two button add. New button add div to class from group call md2 button class btn and primary and type submit. Style margin top and 3px and search. A link add, URL add, save file, and this URL add admin job history class btn success, and style margin top 3%, margin top 3 px, and reset. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully shared this reset button. Click this. Successfully shared. Open this route, admin job history. Open this route, already open job history. This job history already open. Inside this function, this model open, job history model open, job history model open, model inside, successfully job history model open, successfully job history model open, get record, this get record and query $request, this commit code and new code create, save file, and this new join query create $request job history, and this join query add. First of all this job history open, this model show inside this employee ID means user table open, and this user copy this name dot this name copy, successfully dot name change. Second name is job history open, inside this job ID means jobs table open, job copy dot this name is job title, successfully shared. And this join query start, join. First of all this user copy this name user, inside this user inside this ID, database name is ID, user copy this inside this ID copy, this ID set is equal to the job history inside this ID set, job history inside this column name copy this job dot ID. Successfully first join query done. Second join query join, second the jobs name set inside this job dot this ID add, this ID add, and this job history inside dot this ID add, this job ID. Successfully shared. This order by ID dot this job history, yes descending, this latest version descending. Last return the pagination, this copy this variable copy, return pagination, net this 20 and return dollar return already value passed is return add and save. This refresh this page. Successfully error available. This now in this column name successfully error available. Join query. Let's step by step add join query. Return job history, username and job title add. In this join query add step by step if this field not available from table, this table field not available, this name and this name. If is empty, request get already id add this id name add, copy this id dollar request add this variable add dollar return where and this job history, copy this job history inside this id set is equal to this request id. And save file. This page init add this request add already available. Save file and refresh this page. Column this username is not available, job title is field list. This return job return 25 error is showing from jobs and jobs id add dot is equal to job history and inside this job id employee id. This add successfully add, refresh this page. This column not found 1054 unknown column, this job name and job history. Let's check this error. Add this successfully save and refresh this page. Successfully good working. This filter. This error show and request add this join query. Second, if empty, this id means job history id request, second name is add, save file and this name add dollar return is equal to dollar return where name means this name add username add source. This join query like percentage add dot this percentage close and this close, this copy this and paste here. Successfully set this name here. Third is first id, third to name, third start date add, the start date add this copy and paste, and this start date job history inside this start date. Copy start date and add job history inside. Copy and paste this and end date. End date add. Copy this and paste here and name change this jobs inside this job title add. The job title add. This to join, this join, and this join. Table add. And this start date, end date, and this table set. ID start date, end date. This table job history set. Job history name in this user table. User table is name set, and this job title means job table. This job table set. All successfully set. Save file, and this list available all set. This ID, name, and start date, end date, and job title. And as it is not changed, let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully good, working, not on error. This 5 number add. Only 6 numbers available in this 5 number add and search. Successfully 5 number available, this hide 5 number. This 999 add and this search, and successfully record not show. This hide number. Let's show this number. Reset button, click this and show this number available. This show number. Value request this ID, copy this ID and paste this. Let's refresh this page, save file and refresh this page, and click this phone number and this search bar. Click this search phone number, this available, this record. Show this phone number and add this wrong number and search. Click this record not found. Good, working. Click the reset. Click the reset button, and this name add Johan add, and this search bar. Click this search, and this name is hide, and this available Johan 2. This reset button, click this and search 1 Johan and 2 Johan available. This hide. Value copy and this paste here. This name show. Let's save file and refresh this page. This add this name as only single name available in single record show. Let's search. Successful name show, and this name single name show. This wrong name add. This not show record not found. Good, working. Reset button. Click this reset. Same is start date, end date, and this title add. Copy this and paste here value and the start date value. Copy this value and same is end date value. Copy and job title add. Save file and refresh this page. This 7/7 date available, add this 7/7 77 available this single record show. And click this search. This only single record show. And this different date add. This different date add and search. This record not found. This date add. Same is and date add. Click the reset button. This add this 87 add and search. Click this. Good working. Click this reset button and last job name is job title. This management add this scan again refresh. Click this resource and not available record not found. This management add and search. Successfully available this management. And this not a dynamic static only. This department step by step dynamic next video. This department step next video dynamic. This is not dynamic, this static, otherwise search box add. This not dynamic. This error 404. Step by step all dynamic add this department. And next time this add. All step by step set search box. And check this code. This form add, this start. Inside this start and this close. And this model open this comment job history model and this add. Successfully good working this add this controller in this route. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.